annual Banking on Climate Chaos report, which is published by Rainforest Action Network and other non-profits, tracks fossil fuel financing from the world's 60 largest banks. This year's report shows that while overall fossil fuel financing from the biggest banks has declined, some banks have increased their financing of fossil fuels, as well as fossil fuel expansion. JPMorgan continues its lead as the largest financier of fossil fuels, committing $40.8 billion in 2023. Mizuho Financial and Bank of America follow at $37 billion and $33.6 billion, respectively. Japan's Mizuho rose 4 ranks to reach second place in the annual ranking, while MUFG is up to 4th place from 6th last year, providing $33.2 billion to fossil fuel companies in 2023. Of fossil fuel expansion financing, JPMorgan ranks first, providing $19.3 billion in 2023, up from $17.1 billion in 2022. JPMorgan is followed by Mizuho, which financed fossil fuel expansion by $18.8 billion in 2023. MUFG, RBC, and Bank of America rank 3rd, 4th, and 5th, respectively. Since the Paris Agreement, however, Citigroup is the largest financier of fossil fuel expansion companies overall, totaling $204.4 billion between 2016 and 2023. And smaller banks are emerging as significant players too. US bank Truist ranked 58th in assets and 20th for its financing of fossil fuels at $14.2 billion in 2023. But when fossil fuel financing is measured as a percentage of its assets, Truist ranked first. These banks may be stepping in where larger banks step back and could be facing less scrutiny from investors and climate activists. Read more on this and other stories at thebanker.com.